Today I will be going over real briefly with you how to create a unique learning path on GoSkills using our assignments feature. So just in case anybody wants a quick refresh, what is a learning path? A learning path is a popular LMS tool that you as an administrator can use to clearly lay out your training expectations for your learners. And this allows you to organize your trainings in a very quick and structured, cohesive manner. And then for your learners, it also is going to give them a roadmap. That way they know how to manage their time and achieve those training goals that you'd like them to reach. So I'm going to hop into GoSkills now. And currently I'm looking at an admin dashboard on GoSkills. So when you're an administrator, this might be the first page you see. And if you haven't noticed already, on our navigation bar here on the left-hand side, we have a section called assignments. And this is where you're going to get started with your learning paths. So under assignments, you would create an assignment here. And for this example, I'm going to pretend that I have a new hire and I want to assign them my onboarding training. So in this scenario, I'm going to select maybe my human resources policy. Maybe I have some cybersecurity, some data privacy. And then way down below, I know I have a welcome aboard course that I'd like to provide them as well. So I'm going to select this for welcome aboard course too. So now that I have my courses selected, I'm ready to assign them. So I'm going to select continue. And at this point, GoSkills is going to give you three options. If you want to assign this learning path or assignments to everyone, you can do that. If you want to do a specific team, you can look through all the different teams that you've created and see which ones would be the best fit for your courses. But in this case, I'm just going to assign this to an individual learner for my new hire. So I'm going to select this here and select continue. And now I can see all the learners that I have on my organization with GoSkills. In this case, I know my learner's name, so I'm going to go ahead and search them. And my learner here is going to be Sarah Loves Lunch. So I'm going to select her name. You can do more than one person at a time too, if you like. And then when I select assign to one learner, a window is going to pop up here that asks if you'd like to send them an email notification. If you do want to send it to them, you're going to hit send. If you don't, that's okay. Just go ahead and select don't send. They're still going to receive those courses on their dashboard. But whenever we select send, they're going to receive an email that looks like the following here. So in their inbox, they're going to see something. It's going to say hi, have their preferred name there that they've assigned on their profile. It's going to say you've been assigned some new courses. Please view your assignments to get started. So all they'll have to do as the learner is open this email and then select view assignments to jump directly to what you just assigned to them. And then going back to the dashboard here, I've assigned my courses, that's great, but maybe I want them to have due dates or know which order to go in. So at that point, I'm just going to select one of the courses that I'm assigning. I can see here who it's assigned to, double check that that's all good to go. And then there's an option here that says add due date. So I'm going to select add due date. And then I'm going to select which date I would like them to complete this by. If you prefer time period, we do have that option up here too. This is great for example, like new hires, if they're starting on different dates, you can give them all a set 30 days to complete the course, whatever you prefer to do here. And for either option, you're lastly going to have an option to have reminders sent out to them automatically. So that way you don't have to remind them yourself. They're just going to receive emails in their inbox at these days, letting them know that they still need to complete their course that you've assigned to them. And then an example of what that email would look like here is just going to say hi with their preferred name. It's going to say your due date for this specific course title is coming up soon. We just wanted to remind you that you have this number of days left to complete the course. Go ahead and log in and then view the course. And this will take them directly to which course it's referring to. So now we know how to assign learning path or assignment to the learner. What does it look like for the learner? So I'm going to go ahead and log in real quick here to Sarah Loves Lunch. That way we can see what it looks like for her. Okay, perfect. So even if this is my first time logging in, if I'm a new hire, what I'm going to see here is welcome to your dashboard. It's going to have my preferred name here. And I'm going to select View Assignments. And this is going to take me directly to that learning path I just created as the admin. So as you can see here, I have each course listed. If there's a due date assigned, it's going to appear in the top right corner here. And if it's overdue, it's going to turn red and show them that it's overdue as well. But they're going to be able to select that course and go ahead and get started right away from there. And then every time they log in or come back to GoSkills, they're going to be able to jump right back into this learning path again. All they have to do is go to their assignments tab too. But that pretty much covers everything for creating a learning path with GoSkills. We are working on some designs to make this even more interactive, but currently you are able to do this with the assignments feature from your admin dashboard. But that's everything from me, so I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing now.